How to Dominate SEO Using Frase.io tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can dominate your search engine optimization within minutes using Frase. So let's get into it. Now, keyword optimization is super essential for any website builder to get started with. Because if you're writing an article, if you're starting your own website, if you just want to post on another website, then you want your article to rank higher. And that is only possible if it is optimized for keywords. And Frase is a platform that has simplified the entire keyword research process. So what you have to do now is simply input the information that you want to write, post, or upload and get it optimized using Frase. So to get started, all you have to do is click on Frase.io, click on Get Started over here. Once you have done that, you can sign up with Google or you can continue on with your email and password. So I'm just going to sign up with Google over here. And that is it. That is all you have to do to register. So once you have done that, you can choose which kind of trial you want. First off, you have your monthly or yearly versions. So in the yearly versions, you get a larger discount. You get a 15% discount. Or in the monthly versions, all you have to do is you can get started for $1 or you can get a 5-day free trial basically for $1. This is just to make sure to prevent any fraud or any other people that are, trying to start, creating multiple different accounts over and over again. So they will just deduct $1 for 5 days. And on the solo version, you can get started with at $14.99 per month. Then on the basic version, you have $44.99 per month. And then on the team version, it's $114.99 per month. Now on the solo and basic versions, you can only have one user. And on the solo version, you have only 4 documents per month without document sharing and 20,000 AI characters per month. Now, on the basic version, it's pretty much the same, but you have 30 documents and unlimited document sharing. Then on the team version, you have 3 users, unlimited documents per month, unlimited doc sharing, and 20k AI characters per month. So to get started, all we're going to do is we're going to click on Start Trial for $1 and you're just going to enter your information, your card information. So I will do that and I will get back to you guys in a second. Now, once you have entered your card information, you can see this is going to be your Frase dashboard. So what you can see over here is that on the left side of your screen, you have a navigation panel. And in this navigation panel, first off, you have documents that you can optimize for SEO. And this is especially helpful for people that are writing blogs for their website. Then you have AI tools. So below that, in the AI tools, you have specific tools like article rewriter, bullet point to answers, bullets to paragraphs, blog introduction, blog title, definition, explain why, and so on and so forth. So this not only allows you to optimize for a website, but you can see you also have things like Instagram captions that you can optimize as well. And it is super, super, super helpful in using to write articles because a lot of the times your keyword optimization is just lacking in terms of the content or how the content is formulated. And this can easily help you in improving the formulation of your article or of your blog post, which will help you immensely. Now, moving on to the next tool, we have SEO tools. So they have the Google Search Engine Console to identify content weaknesses and opportunities. You have an outline builder, and you can research topics through Wikipedia's concept map and generate ideas as well. And you also have a simple topic planner. Then you have your basic account information, and then you just have your help section and the update section. So in this way, you can get started with using Frase. So to get started, let's say that I'm going to actually take an article from the internet just to see how it could be optimized further. So let's say I want to take an article on fashion tips. because I want to, research the other websites or the other articles that are out there. I don't want this listicle. I want it to be kind of simple, like so. They're all listicles, so that is the popular format from here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this article, just like that. You're going to enter your own information, but once you've done that, you can click on New Document, and you're going to enter the specific search query that you want to target, and you can add multiple different search queries. So after that, you're going to click on Create Document. Now, once you have done that, you're just going to paste your article over here, like so. And once you have done that, you can click on Let's Go. And now your research will get started. So you can see on the right side of your screen, you have your research, you have the outline that you can get from your document, you have AI Write, you have Optimize, you have links, and you have help. So this is going to be a simple way for you to optimize any kind of content for your website or blog or any other thing. So just wait for a couple of minutes, and now you can see over here, this is what I'm getting. So first off, we have the top research links. Now below that, you can see the other websites that are ranking the best as well. Then on the next section, you can click on AI Write. And then once you have done that, you can, let's say that I want to add a blog title. So you can input the target keywords and begin writing. So let's say I want to go on ahead and open up a new tab, and I will name this sample. And in the sample section, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove any information, and I will simply go into AI Write, and then I'm going to go into long form, and I just want a listicle generator. And the topic that I want to create a listicle on is fashion tips, and that is it. So I'm going to click on Run Template over here. Obviously, the more information you provide, the better optimized it would be. So I would recommend that you provide a little more information than this. And we're just going to wait for the listicle to be generated, and that is it. So you can see it's such an amazing listicle generator. So you can see I have headings, I have a detailed paragraph about the heading, and that is it. I barely have to write any of my own content to create my own blog. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.